section 17.6, we like to talk about the application, of first law. Application of first law basically is related with thermal process. That means how you go about it when you using this. Basically, there's a 4 process. When you're doing the work on the PV diagram, you have 4 different methods. They call 4 process. 4 process. 4 thermal process. The number 1, we are talking about adiabatic process. So they call adiabatic process. In this adiabatic process, the major issue on here is there's no heat loss. No heat loss. Or change. No heat loss or change. What it means is delta Q equal to 0. So this is the thermal, they call the adiabatic process. 2 adiabatic process. So that makes the system cycling. The second one, the process is in these cases is called isobaric. This is all this term. Please remember, iso basically related with constant or related with no change. Isobaric process, what it means is the P pressure. Baric is pressure, so P is constant. This is a P, and then like this. So this is a V. Maybe this is a V sub I, and this is a V sub F. Doing this, then doing the work. The PdV is in this section. Okay, so this is an isobaric process. Isobaric process can do the work. Number 3 is not so good. In their cases, in these cases, they call isovolumic process. That means no change in volume. So that means delta V is equal to 0. Now equal to what? dQ is equal to minus PdV, or Q in equal to Q out plus work. Look at this, dV, no change. So this is equal to 0. Basically, there's no work. No work is done. No work is done. So number 4, in this case, is important. Number 4 is talking about the most popular one in the process, in which cases is called isothermal. Isothermal process. the isothermal process is the most popular one. That means that during this process, the temperature is constant. The temperature is constant. So in these cases, usually this process is something like this. This is P, and this is V, something like this. Initial to here. This is I, and here is F, and then like this, and then go on like this. This is the process. From this, from point 1 to point 2 is called isothermal process. This is T equal to constant. And this one, from 3 to 4 is T is equal to constant. And then from 2 to 3, that is called adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. And in here is adiabatic process. So the most popular thermal process is adiabatic process and isothermal process. This is the most popular one, and it's cycled together. Point 1 to point 2, point 3, and point 4, and point 1. So this is the Carnot cycle. Carnot cycle. And based on this, the Carnot cycle, based on this idea, a lot of people can base on this and creating the heat engine. Later on, we will talk about this heat engine. This heat engine, what is heat engine? Is converting the heat into mechanical energy, and then to drive the automobile around. And this is the original idea is done by Carnot. And ladies and gentlemen, this one was created in 1824, right? 1824, someplace in there. 1824. This is 1824. After 1824, the gentleman in German is called Otto, O-T-T-O. And Otto, based on this idea, is making a machine. So it's become a automobile. This is really making another progress. The gentleman in German is called Otto. So he's making a machine so it can move, so that is called mobile. So the original idea of automobile is done by French and done by German. And then Ford is the gentleman getting the idea, this is good stuff, and then he Ford, and then making a mass production, and then he doesn't like to carry the auto name, so he carry another name, in which case A-U-T-O, mobile. So that is nowadays called car. Okay, so the build up automobile is this way. So we like to go through this specifically. If you go through the isothermal, what's happening? Isothermal, what's happening? So we want to stress on this isothermal, because when you are calculating this, a lot of nice things happen. By the way, in this isothermal process, this cycle, the heat is going in here, in, and the heat is going out in this side, this leg, in which case Q out. So in between this is the work being performed. Okay, so that is the automobile cycle.